This is the letter A. We will write the letter A using the color red. The letter A. A is for apple. The word apple begins with the letter A. Purple color. Let's write the letter B. This is the letter B. Can you think of a word that begins with the letter B? B is for ball. B is for ball. The word ball begins with the letter B. Brown color. Let's write the letter C. This is the letter C. Can you think of a word that starts with the letter C? C is for cat. C is for cat. The color orange. Let's write the letter D. This is the letter D. Can you think of a word that starts with the letter D? D is for dog. D is for dog. The color black. Let's write the letter E. This is the letter E. Can you name a word that starts with the letter E? E is for egg. E is for egg. The color green. Let's write the letter F. The letter F. Can you name a word that starts with the letter F? F is for fingers. F is for fingers. The color red. We're going to write the letter G. The letter G. Think of a word that starts with the letter G. G is for garden. G is for garden. The color purple. Let's write the letter H. The letter H. Can you name a word that starts with the letter H? H is for horse. H is for horse. The color brown. We will now write the letter I. Can you think of a word that starts with the letter I? I is for ink. I is for ink. Now, let's say these letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. You can go to my channel for more educational video for kids. Please subscribe to this channel. Remember to support our channel, like, comment, and thank you for your support.